In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make pictures move like the new TikTok trend. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the app. So go over to the Play Store, and then you're going to want to search for MyHeritage, and then click on this one here, and then once this has been downloaded and installed, what you want to do from here is click on Open. And then once you've clicked on Open, it will bring you to this page here, which is the home page of MyHeritage. And this also works on Android and on iPhone. So for me, what you need to do is select Photos. And what I did earlier today is I got a picture of a random celebrity from Google. So I have Hugh Jackman here on a picture, and this is a static picture that you can find on Google. So you can do this with family members and things like that, or you can do it with yourself. And you can click on the picture, and then what you need to do from here is simply click on this button right here next to the little wand. And then what it will do is it will process it, and then what you will get is a moving image of the still picture that you have uploaded. So as you can see, Hugh Jackman now has a little bit of animation, and it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.